I was never a fan of Amala until I visited Lagos some years back, and a friend of mine who could wage war for Amala had me try one. And we started with the street on. You know those ears now, that hook it now, that carry it on the head. Inside basin. My brothers and sisters, this is how my love for Amala started growing. That's why no matter how it is, I still crave the street Amala. So anytime I have the opportunity to have a taste of this goodness from the street hawkers, I know they miss out. Stay with me to enjoy this delicious sweet Amala from the streets, I so missed this thing. Like, this is how I learned how to eat amala. This one is iyaloje amala alewedu. This is one of Yoruba food that I enjoy eating. This one is the street amala and ewedu. They have okra, egusi. Have you tried the street on?